Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money to PayPal from a bank account on PC. First I'm going to Google and type in PayPal and login. Okay, I'm going to log my account, you can see that login. Okay, I'm already in my PayPal account. I have 531 something. Then if you see like that, then you have to click that link, accept the money. I'm going to click that. After click that, you can see that what you want to do with your 531. You want to transfer it to your bank account, keep it in PayPal. You check by mail instead. Then I want to transfer to my bank account. I'm going to click that link, first link. Transfer it to your bank account, more money to your bank in minute. I'm going to click that first link, transfer it to your bank account. Transfer in your bank account in minute, they're gonna be charged $9.30. But you have to be careful. This is tricky. If you click this link, you're going to be charged $9.30. But I don't want wasting money that $9.30. Then I am waiting for 1 to 3 days. No fee. I'm going to click this 1 to 3 day no fee. Okay, I don't want to transfer 531 something dollar to my account. I want to transfer $100 right now. Then I'm going to cross this one. Then put in $100. Then I'm going to select 1 to 3 days no fee. Okay, I will select $100. Then going to be transfer maybe take 1 to 3 business days. All transfer are subject to review and could be delayed to stop if we identify an issue. Alright, everything clear. Then I'm going to click that transfer $100. Okay, now you can see your $100 is on his way. Alright, everything done. Right now $100 going to be my bank account. Take 1 to 3 days no fee. Everything done. Then I'm going to cross that. Alright guys, that's the way how to transfer money to bank account. You can see that it was 531. I already transfer $100. Right now I have remain balance 431 71 cents. That's the way how to transfer money to PayPal from your bank account. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.